Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of beauty with expertise, passion, and a whole lot of honesty. Today, I'm sharing my experience with a product that promises to hydrate and refresh your skin like never before. Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel Face Moisturizer Starter Kit. If you're someone who's struggling with dry skin or looking for that instant burst of hydration, stick around because this might just be your new go-to. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss a detailed review like this one. Let's get into it. Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel Face Moisturizer Starter Kit comes in a sleek, refillable glass jar, and included is a 1.7-ounce refill pod of the popular Hydro Boost Water Gel. If you've never tried it, this moisturizer is all about delivering deep hydration, leaving you with dewy, glowing skin. And while the glass jar is great for reusability, the real star here is the product itself. This face moisturizer is formulated with hyaluronic acid, a dermatologist-approved hydrating agent that binds to water and locks it into the skin. This helps maintain your skin's moisture balance, making it perfect for normal, dry, and even acne-prone skin. Neutrogena claims that it provides 6 times more hydration than untreated skin, which is quite impressive considering how many products promise hydration but don't deliver long-lasting results. As someone who's always on the lookout for products that can stand up to dry weather and long days, I've had the chance to test this product thoroughly. First of all, the texture is everything. It's a light, water-based gel that feels like a refreshing splash of hydration as soon as you apply it. It's cooling on the skin and absorbs pretty quickly, cat clout, which makes it great for layering under makeup or using in your morning routine. I used it daily for a couple of weeks, and I can confidently say that it lives up to its claims. My skin felt hydrated from the moment I applied it, and after consistent use, I noticed that it felt smoother, more balanced, and most importantly, less dry. Over the course of about a month, I started noticing a subtle radiance, something that's harder to achieve with most moisturizers, especially if you have skin that's prone to dryness. The starter kit also includes a refillable jar with a 1.7-ounce pod, which is a clever and eco-friendly touch. The refill pods are made with 89% less plastic than the original jar, which is a win for sustainability, something we can all appreciate. Plus, the refill process is simple. Just tap the base a few times before peeling off the lid, twist off the original pod, and pop in the new one. As for performance, this product's hydration lasts. Like a full 48 hours kind of lasts. I tested it both in the morning and evening, and I was impressed with how well it hydrated my skin, even overnight. Plus, it's non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog your pores, which is great for anyone worried about breakouts. But let's break it down. What I liked: pros, deep hydration that lasts throughout the day and night, lightweight, gel-based texture that absorbs quickly, eco-friendly packaging with the refillable jar and reduced plastic use. Great for all skin types, including dry and acne-prone skin. Non-comedogenic, so it won't clog pores. Fragrance is mild and pleasant, not overpowering. Cons: the refill pod system may take a little getting used to if you've never used one before. It's on the pricier side, especially when you factor in the cost of refills over time. For those who prefer a richer, creamier texture, this might feel a bit too light for their preference. Now, I've seen some moisturizers that deliver hydration for a while, but this one? It's clinically proven to hydrate for up to 48 hours. And I can't say that about many other moisturizers. In terms of value for money, it's a solid investment for anyone who struggles with dry skin and wants a product that provides lasting hydration without being heavy or greasy. Speaking of value, if you're on the hunt for something similar, but more affordable, there are options out there. But in my opinion, Neutrogena offers an exceptional formula with a blend of high-quality ingredients and an eco-conscious design, which makes it worth the price. Now, let's talk about how it compares to other popular moisturizers on the market. A lot of competitors in this space claim to hydrate and leave skin glowing, but few are as lightweight yet effective as Neutrogena's Hydro Boost Water Gel. Many products can feel heavy, especially if you have combination skin, but this one hits the sweet spot for a broad range of skin types. When it comes to build quality, Neutrogena definitely nailed it with the glass jar and refillable design. This product feels premium in your hands, and the packaging is sturdy, which makes it easy to store and use without worrying about spills or breakage. If you're wondering about customer service, I haven't had to interact with Neutrogena's support directly for this product, but they're generally known for being responsive, with many customers noting that their inquiries are addressed promptly. And if you're worried about updates or new formulations, I didn't find anything indicating a change to this product since I started using it, which is good news if you're happy with the current formula. To wrap it up, this product is perfect for anyone looking to keep their skin hydrated, especially if you have dry or acne-prone skin. It's a solid option for daily use, and the refillable jar is a bonus for those of us trying to reduce our plastic usage. If you're after deep hydration that lasts, this product is definitely worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.